Hey there, welcome to the best day ever. In this video, I want to show you how to properly stretch your hip flexors in order to get the most benefit for your time. So these are big muscles, they take a long time to stretch and really get them to loosen up. So if we can do this the most efficient way and most effective way, that's going to be for your benefit. So first thing, we're going to take a knee, and when I see most people stretch their hip flexors, everything is relaxed and they're just starting to hinge forward. This might look familiar to you. So this is okay. It's stretching the hip flexor a little bit, but really it's kind of stretching a bunch of other areas as well, or some other areas with mobility is starting to take that stretch out of here. Your low back is starting to be compressed a little bit, some different aspects in the hip joint. Your core is loose. So what you want to do instead is begin to do a little bit of a pelvic tilt. If you're not familiar with the pelvic tilt, check out our video on that. So you're going to tuck the hips under by engaging the glute of the leg that's down. Then from there, tighten up your belly, pull your belly button to spine, or engage your core, and then just start to shift forward. And I'll tell you right here, I'm already feeling a way more intense stretch than I was when everything else was relaxed, because we're taking all this movement out of the equation and just focusing right here in the front of the hip. So pelvic tilt, glute engaged, core tight, hold. We're going to lean forward and hold about 3 to 5 seconds, point of intensity where it's a little bit uncomfortable, then relax and come on out. And repeat. We're going to do like 10 reps of this. So instead of one long hold, we're doing multiple short reps, trying to keep that intensity in that moderate to slightly uncomfortable range, and then relax and come on out of it. One other thing to note is the position of this leg. So if this knee is directly under my hip, we're stretching one aspect of this muscle. If I take the knee out to the side a little bit and keep everything else the same, stretching a slightly different aspect. And lastly, if you bring it in towards the midline, repeat the same process, stretch forward, you're getting into more of the psoas. And, so make sure to check out our video on, different fiber types and all the different aspects of muscles, because they're not just one thing. We're focusing on all these different areas. So try those techniques when you're stretching your hips. You'll get much more benefit out of it. And thanks for watching.